Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix motion not available. Motion from this live photo is not spotted as a wallpaper. So guys, when you try to set any live wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad and you are facing this issue that motion not available and you are not be able to use any live wallpaper. So guys, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings, and now you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this you need to go back. From here you have to click on general, and you need to check for software update, and you need to update your device to latest iOS version. And after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on wallpaper, and you need to add your new wallpaper from here and click on live photos. So when you have click on it, then guys you need to make sure that you have select any live photo. So guys, as you can see here, if you have not any live photo here, simply you have to download any live wallpaper from third-party app or from another website. And guys, after this you will be able to use your live wallpaper smoothly. So guys, if you are using any local wallpaper that is not live, then guys you will see this issue that motion not available. So guys, when you have set officially live wallpaper that you have downloaded from any website or that you have captured from your camera, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.